Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality do follow article submission backlink. So the website name is the petsserviceweb.com. So this site is highly relevant for the pet and the animal kind of category. So if you are in the same, so this is a very relevant backlink for you. Either you can consider any kind of backlink. So you can see there I saw created a PDF submission sites list. So this is a totally different from this category. But if I can show you this backlink are indexed or not, so you can see site colon and you see this backlink are indexed. So that's why I decided to again share with you guys. So definitely you guys will consider this site for your backlinking, and you can also consider this site for your brand kind of a content backlinking. Okay, so I show you how I create a brand building kind of a backlink on this website. So before the started, we can do some research. So according to Acharya, if I can show you the website statics, so you can see, let me put it again, and you see the domain authority, domain rating of this website is 36, and if we can check in a Moj, so let me check. So the domain authority is 36 and the spam is score is 0%. And if we can check the website traffic, so you will see 18.2k monthly traffic this website having, and mostly traffic from India, Thailand, Pakistan, Vietnam, USA, and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So this is a very best website for you to you can drive traffic across the countries and all the stuff. This video is sponsored by Intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co. So now we can start. First thing, whenever you guys are landing on this website, you can click on these links before this title, and there is no required to guys will create your account or anything. You can directly click on the start a new topic, and there you can add your brand name, and there you can add your title. So suppose let me use some of the title Jobma video interview software. So video interview software and the Jobma, and in the body you can add your short content. So definitely whenever you guys are creating your backlink on this website, you can consider to add your short content. So there I have generated content around the brand. So what is Jobma, what kind of services we have, and the what kind of certifications and the security measures we have. So that kind of content I have added in this content. So that's why this is a brand building kind of a content, and how you can hyperlink on this content. So you can type, if you don't know HTML hyperlink syntax, so you can type on Google search box hyperlink HTML, click on the you click on this first link, HTML link hyperlink, and you will see this is your syntax. In the URL you can replace with your URL, and the link text you can replace with your keyword. Okay, so I can add here, so AHREF, and then I can add my website URL here, and I can close this tag. Then after that I can close this keyword too. After that you can click on the add topic button, and you will see the link is submitted. You will see this is the backlink, and if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you will see this is 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So today I have created a very high quality do follow article submission backlink on this website. So overall, this is the process for the backlinking in this website. So if you guys are watching till end, So thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.